How to fix TikTok birthday problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then go to the TikTok app. Now, what you wanna do is very simple. Click on the storage and then click on clear data and click delete. And now go back to the settings and open the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it again. And then all what you want to do next is make sure to update your TikTok in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Update it into the latest version. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.